My Miele Induction stove, KM5773, shuts off randomly when cooking dinner. We used to be able to reset it without an issue, it was a nuisance. But now we have to wait an indeterminate amount of time to reset it. What gives?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. Can you explain what you mean by shuts off? Will any burner turn on? Are there any indicator lights or anything illuminating? Etc. Also, does this happen with any particular burner or all of them?
While cooking, the unit will completely power off you.
Okay, so if this happens on all burners, it means that your cooktop is likely overheating. There aren't any cutouts that Miele uses which will cut power to everything including the controls, so if the control is cutting out along with everything else, the cooktop is overheating and the control board or cooling fan is likely bad. Do make sure that the cabinet below the induction cooktop has adequate space because there are fans on the bottom of the cooktop which blow into the open cavity below to cooktop the electronics off inside the cooktop. If you hear the fans turn on when you turn the cooktop on, not 100% completely silent, then you'd likely need a new power control board which can be very expensive on these units, roughly $400 or so. If you have any other questions, please ask me, I'll be happy to respond. You can continue asking follow-up questions until you have all the information you need even after rating my service. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.